In this video, I'm going to show you how to work in the third loop of a stitch. The third loop is created by a half double crochet. So here's your regular stitch you would work into. Tilt that slightly towards you, and right there is your third loop. Let me show you that again. Here is your normal stitch, right here. Tilt it towards you, and right there is your third loop. I'm going to work a half double crochet in the third loop. So I'm going to yarn over. There's my normal stitch right there. Tilt it slightly towards me, and right there is my third loop. Let me show you that again. There's my normal stitch. And I'm tilting it towards me, and right there is my third loop. Right there. And what that does is it brings that stitch forward and gives that ribbed look. Here is my Sassy ear warmer, and this pattern calls for the third and the fourth loop. Right here, I worked in the third loop, and this is the result. Just gives that nice raised texture. I will also have another video tutorial for the fourth loop. So let me just show you one more time. I'm going to yarn over. There's my regular stitch. Tilt it towards me, and right there's my third loop. And that's how you work into the third loop of a stitch. Thank you for watching.